in line at Mickey's, and the line said we've seen everything from 105 to 90 minutes. Well, we've made it this far in about 10 minutes. We're up to here. We still got a long way to go. But we're looking forward to seeing this ride for the very first time. Here are just a few people who have graced the Hollywood Walk of Fame with their handprints or footprints, or both. Zach now has a permanent job, apparently, and it's to get the virtual queue of Rise of the Resistance. We're in boarding group 12. That's the line for Slinky Dog. It's way further back than it was the other day when we were here. It's at 100 minutes at 10:15. On the other side is Toy Story Mania. We made it up here. And our boarding group just got called, so we have an hour to get there, so we will do that.
Remember to wash your hands frequently throughout your visit, or use the sanitizer dispensing units provided. Thank you.
So we are inside the Chinese theater. It took us about 55 minutes to get in here to this point.
When we got in the inside queue, we saw lots of fun movie posters that were all pretend, made by Disney. But it would be cool if they were real.
Now we're in the second queue in the inside of the theater. I feel like that's a stylized Hidden Mickey right there, maybe. So we made it inside, and it's been an hour till we got to this point. Yeah, right at an hour. The run-amok park trains. Here's the inside queue for Mickey. We're going to be on the Runaway Railway. Here's our train. And we waited for an hour and 7 minutes. The year Mickey was born.
Testing. This thing on. Can you all hear me? Please after that. Welcome aboard, folks. We're ready for a relaxing ride around the park. Hiya, folks. Hello there. How do you do? Hey, Mickey, man. Sure to take good care of our friends. What could possibly go wrong? Oh, I must have hit that track switch! Let's get that runaway train! Hooray! Step right up, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls!
See some Mickeys back there. Oh!
Now, let's come down!
Oh boy!
Well, that concludes my guided tour. Hope you had a relaxing ride around the park. And thanks for sticking with me. Hey, picnickers! Told you nothing was gonna go wrong.
Nothing can stop us now. I'm so glad. Finally making. We had one crazy
Gosh, what's this lever do? Well, here we are, back in the barn. Remember to gather up all your personal belongings, take your small children by the hand, and watch your step.